Hindi tayo papayag na ang Senado pa ang susuway sa saligang batas. Kaya naman ngayong hapon, mamaya sa plenary, kikilos kami sa Senate minority para simulan namin ang aming konstitusyonal na tungkulin. We in the Senate minority will formally move to commence the opening rights in the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte. Senate Minority Leader Aquilino Pimentel III and I will move to allow Senate President Francis Escudero to take his oath as presiding officer of the impeachment court and to administer the prescribed oath to all members of the Senate as judges of the impeachment court. We will also move for the Senate to convene as an impeachment court and for the articles of impeachment received from the House of Representatives last February to be formally presented to the body. Wala pa tayo sa trial proper. Opening rights pa lamang, panunumpa at formalidad. Hindi ito aabuti ng 1 oras. So, let's not pretend that 1 hour is too much to ask. Kung ibang panukala sa plenary, umaabot tayo sa hating gabi. Sa tingin ko, kaya nating humanap ng oras para dito. We have 3 full days of session left, which can last up to midnight, as they have in recent days. We may have only 3 days, but 3 days is not nothing. The Senate must not be heedless and callous to the growing calls for the institution to fulfill its mandate and begin the impeachment trial. Nandyan ang simbahan at ang iba't ibang grupong relihiyoso, ang mga abogado, ang mga law schools at universidad, ang mismong mga bumalangkas ng ating saligang batas. Sina former Supreme Court Justice Adolfo Ascuna, sina Attorney Rene Sarmiento at Attorney Christian Monsod, lahat sila nagsasabing kumilos na ang Senado. Bilang mga senador ng 19th Congress, malinaw sa amin sa minority ang aming responsibilidad. At hindi ako papayag na Senado pa mismo ang bumaliwala sa ating konstitusyon. Dahil hindi lang taong bayan ang huhusga sa amin. Kung hindi ito matuloy, hindi tayo patatawarin ng kasaysayan.